The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services for northeastern Roger Mills and southwestern Dewey counties. At 4:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 2 miles northwest of Leedy, moving rapidly east-northeast at 3 to 5 miles an hour. Areas impacted: Leedy. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire.